Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to share menu and take orders automatically from Cloud Kitchen on WhatsApp. For example, you have a Cloud Kitchen and you want to share your menu as well as take orders from your users. Responding and sending each and every user manually is a time-consuming, also a very hectic task. To get rid of this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then automatically your chatbot will respond to them. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to share menu and take orders automatically for Cloud Kitchen with the help of WhatsApp chatbot, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your users instantly by sending a message in my WhatsApp business account of Cloud Kitchen. Here I am sending a message as food. Here I send it. Then you can see the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to Flavor Box Kitchen. We are excited to serve you delicious chef-crafted meals made with love and delivered hot to your doorstep. What would you like to do today? While providing me two quick buttons, that is view menu and place order. If I'll click on view menu, then you can see it will respond to me like this while providing me one menu category box including one button, that is open list. If I'll click on this, then it will provide me the list of available dish in this Cloud Kitchen, that is starters, main course and dessert. If I'll click on main course, then it will respond to me like this while providing me two options, that is order main course and back to menu. If I'll click on this, then it will provide me one dish, that is wrapped cutlets including their price and one button, that is order now. If I'll click on this, then you can see it will ask me to provide my full name. So here I am providing them my full name. Here I provided. Then you can see it will ask me for the contact details. So I am giving them one test number. Here I provided. Then you can see the bot will respond to me by my name, that is thank you Mehruz Khan for sharing your contact number. Now please provide your delivery address. So here I am providing them my delivery address. Here I provided. Then you can see it will respond to me like this, that thank you Mehruz Khan, we have received your order and will begin preparing it right away. Also provided the delivery address that I have given them here. Now if I'll click on back to menu button, then you can see it will again provide you the menu categories and the list. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your Cloud Kitchen business, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. This is right over here is Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share your workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced similar challenges like you. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. So the link to join this amazing community is in the description box. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Here you can also add multiple folders, while in this home section you can see the active status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once. The seventh one is the flow. The eighth one is the AI assistant. The ninth one is the activity log. The 10th one is the settings, and the 11th one is the get help. If you want to know more details about these features, then we have created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. I am creating WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the flow option. So this is the flow builder page where you can see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our Cloud Kitchen business, in where we can share and take orders automatically. So here I am providing a name. Here I provided. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active and inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. Here you can see the trigger events. If you click on this, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events which you can select by your choice. So here I am going with keywords or regex. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords. So here I am writing some keywords. That is, the first keywords I'll write as food. After that I'll enter. Then the second keywords I'll write as order. You can also add many keywords here. It is the important step because these are the words that you expect your user sends to your WhatsApp business account of Cloud Kitchen. So here I am writing some most sending keywords: food, order and menu. Here I provided 3 keywords. You can also add many. Now at first I want to write a welcome message for my users. For that I'm taking one text button. It will provide me one text button box. I'll drag this box here in where I am writing the welcome message for my users. So as soon as they have sent any of these keyword message in my WhatsApp business account, then automatically my bot will trigger and it will send them one welcome message. Here I write it. You can see I'll write this asterisk symbol because with the help of this symbol, this message will go to the WhatsApp account of my users in the bold format. In simple words, it is highlighting for the words or sentence. Now at the end of this message you can see I'll write that what would you like to do today. So for answering this, I am providing some quick buttons to my users by clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box. Here I am providing them 2 buttons, that is view menu and place order. After that I am connecting this circle to this message. Here our starting point is connected to our message. Now if my users wants to view the menu of my Cloud Kitchen, then they will click on this view menu button. So my bot will respond to them. For that I am taking list button. Here I have selected. I'll drag this box here. Here you can see this list box is divided in 3 sections, that is header, body and footer. So here at first I am writing the header. Here I write it, that is menu categories. Now in this body box I am writing one message. Please select a category from our menu below. After that I am not writing any footer message, so I am leaving this blank. Now we will add the section into our list. For that I am going to click on this add section button. It will provide you one box of section title. Basically here I am writing the dishes that are available in my cloud kitchen. Here I write it. After that I want to add some dishes that are available in my cloud kitchen. For that I am going to click on this plus add items button. It will again provide you one box in where you can write the name of your dish as well as their description. Here I write it, that is starters and quick bites. Now I want to add some more items. For that I am again clicking on this plus add item button. Here I am adding two more dishes. Here I added, that is main course and dessert. The process of adding items would be the same that we have done here. Now I am going to connect the circle which are present in front of view menu to this list box, because whenever my users will click on this view menu button, then my bot will provide them the list of the dishes that are available in my cloud kitchen. After that, now whenever my users wants to order the starters from my cloud kitchen, then they will click on this starters button, so my bot will respond to them. For that I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one box where I am writing my respond message. Here I write it, that is here are the starters available, would you like to order any? For that I am again providing them two buttons, that is order starters and back to menu. Now, if my users wants to order starter, then they will click on this button. Then my bot will provide them one image of starter including their price and one button, that is order now. For that I am going to click on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as media. It will provide us media button box in where I am going to select the media type as image and upload one image of starter that are available in my cloud kitchen by clicking on this and upload it from my gallery. Here you can see the image is uploaded successfully. Now in this enter caption box I am writing the name of this starter including their price. Here I write it, also giving them one button, that is order now. Here I write it. After that the next one is the back to menu button. If my users don't want to order the starter, then they will click on this back to menu button. Then my bot will get them back to this list. For that I am connecting this circle, drag a line to this message, so that whenever my users will click on this back to menu button, then my bot will provide them this menu category. After that the next one is the main course. If my users wants to order some main course dish from my cloud kitchen, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that I am again clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my message as well as two buttons. Here I write it, that is here are the main course option, would you like to order any, including two buttons, that is order main course and back to menu. If my user will click on this that they want to proceed the order of main course dishes from my cloud kitchen, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as media button. It will again provide me one media button box where I am select the media type as image and upload one image of available dish. Here you can see the image is uploaded successfully. Now I am writing the name of the image including their price and one button, that is order now. Here I write it. Now for this also, if my users wants to get back to menu, then they will click on this button. Then my bot will again provide them the list of the dishes. Here it is connected. Now the next one is the desserts. If my users wants to order dessert from my cloud kitchen, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. The process would be the same that we have done in these two items. See, here I write it, also added the dessert. Now the next one is the place order. If my users wants to place an order in my cloud kitchen, then they will click on this place order button, so my bot will respond to them. For that I am clicking on this action option and take button as ask a question. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and writing a message as let's take your order. Please provide your full name. So for that I am selecting the contact custom field as full name. I already created this field before. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. The format I'll select as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1, and if you want to write any validation message for your users, then you can write in this box. After that I am connecting this circle which are present in front of place order to this message. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will provide me their full name, then my bot will ask them about their contact details. For that I'm again taking one ask question button, drag this question box here and writing a question as, can I have your contact details for the order? For that I'm selecting the contact custom field as contact. The format I'll select as any. After that I'm connecting this circle to this message. Connection plays the major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now at last I want to know the address of my users. For that I'm again taking one ask question button, drag this question box here and writing a question as, thank you with dollar symbol full name. You can see I'll use this dollar symbol here because with the help of this symbol my bot will respond to my users by their name. As different users have different names, so for sending their manual name we will use the symbol. At the end of this message you can see I'll write that please provide your delivery address. For that I'm selecting the contact custom field as address. The format I'll select as any. After that I'm connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now at last I want to write one thank you message for my users. For that I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide us one enter message box where I can write my respond message. Here I write it while in some place you can see I'll use this dollar symbol. As same I already explained you that this symbol is used for manual data. Now, if my users wants to order the starters as well as main course or the dessert, then they will click on this order now button. So at first my bot will ask them about their name, then their contact details, then at last the delivery address. For that I'm connecting this circle which are present in front of order now, drag this line here to this message. Because the process of ordering food from my cloud kitchen would be the same that we have done here. Also I am connecting this circle and this too. Here it is connected. Now our flow is completed. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This bot will automatically respond to your users like this. It will provide them all the necessary details you want to share with them regarding your cloud kitchen, share the menu and take orders. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.